Hello everyone, kumusta? Welcome to Dash of Spices. On today's video, I will be showing you how I made this delicious and super easy Bok Choy Stir Fry. Bok Choy is a type of Chinese cabbage. We also call Bok Choy as pichay in the Philippines. Bok Choy is loaded with fiber, also high in vitamin B6, protein. It also has a low calories and low sugar. Now this will take about 10 minutes, but cooking time will be less than 5 minutes. So let's get started. Here's our ingredients. Full list of ingredients are listed down below in the description box. I have here is a baby bok choy. I have at least 5 baby bok choy, which I slice into halves, or you could also quarter this. It's really up to you. Make sure you wash this thoroughly in a clean water. Also have sesame oil, some soy sauce, some garlic and coconut oil for cooking, salt and pepper. I also have red onions, and some minced garlic. Now using a skillet or a wok, that's really up to you. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. When the oil is hot and ready, I'm going to add the garlic, minced garlic. Use as much garlic as you want, because garlic is very nice combination with the bok choy or any stir fry. Once the garlic is golden brown just like this, add the red onions and the minced ginger. Make sure the heat is on medium to low heat. Just stir the spices. Add soy sauce, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And 1 tablespoon of water. If you want more flavor, you could use chicken broth. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now season this with salt and pepper. You're welcome to use garlic salt as well. Adjust this depends on your liking. Mix and stir until everything is combined. Once they're completely combined, add the bok choy. Now I want my bok choy a little bit crunchy, but I don't want it undercooked either. So I cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's translucent green. Mix it thoroughly. Make sure that the sauce and the bok choy are well combined, continuously stirring. This is a very delicious, very quick and easy meal. If you're a vegetarian, this is perfect for you. If you want to add a little bit more protein, then you could just add egg. This is done. This is how I want my bok choy, not overcooked. It's cooked but not overcooked. The texture should be like this. That's what I want with my bok choy. Now the bok choy is best eaten when it's hot, so serve this right away. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, please click that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share this recipe. Just transfer this over to a serving plate and top it with the onions and the sauce. Drizzle that sauce over. If you have some fresh toasted garlic, do that as well, or some sesame, toasted sesame, that will work as well. Here you go guys. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching Dash of Spices. Until next time, again, please subscribe to our channel. Come back and see us. Ciao!